Hi, my name is Lisa and I'm starting my research group in the LMU in Munich. And one of the things that I'm trying to do is to start everything using and following the open science principles. One of the things that is more difficult for everybody when starting to think about how to fulfill the open science is how to do it, what tools are available. And one of the things that many people do not know is that documents in Word or any word processor like LibreOffice, Microsoft Office, they are actually not really open science compatible, not with the FAIR data. So I decided I'm going to do here a little series for students and PIs to get to know what the tools, which tools are available, and I'm going to do it telling you how to prepare your thesis. So there is something called Preptober, and the background is, so it's just the merging of preparing and October, but what exactly is the background? So in the writing environment or writing community, there is something called NaNoWriMo, which is the short form of National Novel Writing Month, and there is a challenge that it takes place every November. The challenge is to write a book, basically with 50,000 words in it, in 1 month, in the month of November. Because to be able to do that challenge, people need to prepare, and they need to kind of like prepare what they need for the book. And that preparation month is usually October, therefore Preptober. So I decided we're going to try it, but for our purpose, meaning for writing your thesis. Many of you have heard of LaTex. I know it's written LaTex, but it's LaTex. And many of you will think, oh no, that thing is horrible. It's only for mathematicians and physicists. Anything that has to be with mathematical formulas. And believe me, it's not like that. It can create beautiful documents and without the whole trauma of the word processors. When I did my thesis, it took me 2 weeks to integrate all the figures in the Word document where I needed them to be, and without the Word document to create like real jumps and everything. And believe me, I used all the little tricks that are supposed to help. It was a nightmare. As I told you before, LaTeX is FAIR data compatible because it's just text, and any machine that can translate the LaTeX code, meaning the text machine, into the PDF in our case, will be able to read it. And even if you don't have the machine, your data, your text will stay as text, so it's nothing lost. And the best thing of LaTeX is there is a program called Pandoc, and Pandoc can transform almost any kind of text to different formats, including Markdown and Word documents and all the stuff. So those are the reasons I'm giving you. Here is my recommendation. There are a lot of options to write LaTeX. One of them that is being very popular actually is called Overleaf. Overleaf has a little problem for my way of working. Overleaf can be only accessed if you have an online connection. Yeah, you don't have your copy in your computer nor in your server, so you are 100% dependent on Overleaf working and Overleaf taking the packages that you want to use. So because LaTeX needs little packages that people have built upon the years to do modifications on the format or giving new characteristics or new utilities to the LaTeX documents. If Overleaf does not have it, you cannot use it. I will recommend you to use any version on your computer. There are different ones. I know from TexStudio, which is the one that I use and I will be showing you. There is one from MikTek, I think it's called, and there is the TexMaker. As far as I saw it, all of them work in all the different operating systems, meaning Windows, Linux, and Mac. So, and they're all free access, so you can just download it. That's what we're going to do. So I'm going to show you in this series how to start to create your thesis. It's Preptober, so let's start. And for the next video, we will do an overview of how to organize your data, because if you organize your data properly in the beginning, you will have less hassle at the end, and you can just relax and start to work really on your thesis, meaning writing. So we will set up the folder systems, and yeah, after that we will see. Okay, so I hope it helps you, and see you next video. Okay, bye.